Recently, I came across a Facebook page that sells beautifully made and affordable artisan keycaps. In their profile, I found out that they are a couple who loves making keycaps out of resin or baked clay, and eventually they started selling what they make. Browsing on their page, I saw a lot of interesting designs, and so I purchased some for my Mac keyboard. Basically, what they did was mold the design on top of an ABS keycap. You can tell that they are handmade but are really well done. Their keycaps have Cherry MX or standard keycap stems, so it will fit most of the keyboards, but it won't hurt to ask them to check if it will fit yours. They also are soft, but I can feel that it is very durable. If you're interested with their keycaps, you can click on their Facebook page. I placed the link down in the description. I highly recommend them because not only do they sell affordable keycaps, they're also very friendly and accommodating. If you are a keyboard enthusiast like me, go ahead and check out their page. I'm sure you'll find a keycap that you will love.